Welcome to the daily drama that is my life, starring my adorable dog and his sworn enemy, the doorbell. It starts innocently enough, a gentle chime, but for him, it's a declaration of war. He transforms from a sleepy cuddle monster into a barking, tail-wagging, zoomy-fueled whirlwind. He barks at the door, at the floor, sometimes even at the ceiling. The delivery person gets a full concert, often through a closed door, just to be safe. We've tried everything, desensitization, treats, ignoring it. But every single ring, the feud gets wilder. The barks get louder, the zoomies faster. I swear, he's developing new tactics. One day, he'll probably try to disarm it. Send help and earplugs.